Hey, welcome my YouTube friends to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa Peter, and today I'm going to show you the quick and easy folio style number 5. So I've got it all decorated and it's all done. So yay. All right, I will put the link down below to where you can go purchase the tutorial if you would like it. Otherwise, I teach you how to make all 6 of these folios right here on my YouTube channel. But if you would like the cutting guide to go along with all the folios, you sure can purchase it. And then it's yours forever to keep. If I were to ever update it or anything, you would get the updated version. All right. So this folio measures 9.5 by 8 3/4. Yep. And it's decorated for Halloween. And I did make the covers out of 1 10-pound cardstock. And then the rest of the elements are just 65-pound. Okay. And I did use a ribbon closure because it did get a little bit chunky on me. There's the back, and I just ran the ribbon underneath the paper. And the covers, I did back them with the black and then the design paper on the front and back. And then on here as well. So you open it up and you have a nice place for photographs. And then you open this up and there is the folio. How beautiful. And I did decorate this with Michael's paper pad, Halloween Recollections. And I believe it was last year's or the year before. I can't remember. Okay. But right off the get-go, we have a waterfall. Nice big area for photos. So you could put 2 photographs here. You could just put 1 photograph journal about the picture. And this comes together so easy, so easy. And I will put the link down below. I think there's 2 videos. One video we made it, and the other video we decorated it. Here you have a little pocket for some 4x6 cards, but very cute. So here you have a little flip and a flip, and then we have a pocket here. So you have I've got a photo mat, and then you just open this for that. It's a little booklet. Okay, this fits right back in the pocket. Oh, it's a cute little folio. Cute. It'd make nice gifts, even for craft fairs. You could put these together pretty darn fast for craft fair, and it'd be just perfect. So here, this opens up. We have this and this, and I didn't decorate the back so that I wanted to save it for the photographs because it was already getting full. So here, and again, just a little photo mat. Just a very quick and easy folio. Makes nice Christmas gifts. You could do these for craft fairs. It would hold probably, I'm going to guess probably around 35 photos, something like that. You could do this, all in a day. If you sat down, you could design this all in a day. So let me know what you think. And if you like what you see and you want to subscribe to my channel so you never miss out. So, yeah, we got one more folio, and it is 5 1/4 by 8 1/2. And those pieces that I told you not to throw away from style number 4, I used them in here. And again, I'm going to be decorating this one with the leftover papers from this collection. All right, so be keeping an eye out for the next one. It's coming really soon, guys. All right, as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.